Hey, what's up, guys? Mr. Cruz here to show you guys some proportion word problems. If you're working on the assignment that you've got for today, this is how you're going to do it. So I'm going to go over some examples, and these examples were from the assignment that we did earlier this week. But you're literally just going to do the exact same process. All right, so let's start out by reading the problem. It says Pamela drove her car 99 miles and used 18 gallons of gas. She wants to know how many miles she can drive with 12 gallons of gas. All right, so I see that here I have a pretty good proportion that I can set up. 9 miles. She drove 99 miles on 18 gallons of gas. So I'm going to turn this into a proportion down here. All right, so here I'm going to do 99 over 18. All right. Ooh, that looks like 94. All right, 99 over 18. Set that equal to, now the only thing that I have left is this 12 gallons over here. So I got to make sure that I have gallons across from gallons, miles across from miles. So if 18 down here represents gallons, I'm going to put 12 gallons across. And then I'll put my X on top because that's what I'm trying to find out. Now I can do what I usually do, just cross multiply and divide. So I'm going to do 99 times 12. And that's going to give me 1,188. Set that equal to 18 times X. Whenever we multiply a number and a variable, all they do is come together. So 18 times X is going to give me 18X. From here, all we're doing is dividing by whatever the coefficient is. Remember, the coefficient is the number that is next to the variable. So divide both sides by 18. All right. So when I divide that by 18, I end up with X equals 66. So that means that she can drive 66 miles on 12 gallons of gas. All right, let's do another one. It says Chef Rita is cooking for a Sunday brunch. She knows that 22 pancakes, all right, underline that, 22 pancakes can feed 8 people. She is wondering how many people she can feed with 55 pancakes. Do the exact same thing again. So I have a proportion set up by that second sentence that tells me 22 pancakes feeds 8 people. So 22 over 8. Set that equal, right? If 22 pancakes and 55 pancakes, so 55 goes across from 22 because we want same across from same. All right, let's cross multiply. 8 times 55 gives me 440. 22 times X is going to give me 22X. Divide both of those by the coefficient that we have right here. So divide them both by 22. And then 440 divided by 22 is going to give me 20. So that means she can feed 20 people with 55 pancakes, according to whatever proportion that they have there. Yeah, so light work. Let's do another one. All right, we're going to go super slow on this one. It says Maddie is carrying a 50-ounce jug of sports drink that weighs 2 pounds. She wants to know how many pounds a 24-ounce jug of sports drink would weigh. So let's take our proportion using these two numbers up here. So let's do 50 over 2. And if I'm left with 24 ounces, I got to put ounces across from ounces. So 50 represents ounces. So I'm going to put 24 across from 50 and then put X on the bottom. Now cross multiply and divide. 2 times 24 is going to give me 48. And then 50 times X is going to give me 50X. I have my coefficient is 50 here. So I'm going to divide both sides by 50. Right, because the whole goal of this is that we're trying to get the variable to be by itself, right? You remember this from like when we used to draw the river, box up the variable and all that stuff. All right, or circle the fat. All right, this side is going to cancel out. And then in my calculator, I'm going to do 48 divided by 50. And I end up with X equals 0.96 ounces. All right, it's not even a whole ounce. But a 24-ounce sports drink would weigh 0.96 ounces. All right. That's what you guys got. Oh, no, it's 0.96 pounds. I'm sorry. Right, that thing says pounds. Pounds. So it doesn't even weigh a pound. All right. Those are some examples. You guys are doing the exact same thing on that worksheet that you guys have. Good luck. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.